We'll guide you through how to turn off call recording on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having an email is pretty much essential now in order to go and use the internet, because if you want to go and sign up for an account, you often need to go and have an email. Perhaps you need to go and send something to a friend or a colleague. You need to use an email. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about creating one. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. We're going to go and open a web browser. So press search at the bottom. We can go and use Edge on Windows, but you could use Google Chrome, Safari on a Mac, it doesn't matter. So open a web browser up. Now, what you want to do is go and click in the search bar. In this case, we'll click at the top, and you want to go and type in Outlook. Outlook is an email provider. Now, there are different email providers out there. There's Google and Gmail. I'm going to go and be using Microsoft Outlook. It's one of my favorite providers, but there's Yahoo out there as well and others, but we'll be using Outlook for this guide. Now, what we can do is go and find this one here, Outlook login, Microsoft 365. You can go and click there and you'll be brought here. So you're going to go and see the option for create a free account, or alternatively, you can go and press sign in over in the left or in the top right, and that will go and bring you to this page. And what you can do is go and press create one here as well. But in this case, I can go and press create a free account and we can go and start the process. So what we can do here is we can go and choose our email address. So when you go and have an email, you go and have an email address. Everybody has got a unique email address. It's a unique identifier. Nobody can have the same one, because if you did, it wouldn't, people would get each other's emails. So everyone's got a unique one. So you can go and type it in. Let's ideally, I like my name like Rob Tucker or even Robert Tucker. Let me go and press next. We're going to find that's taken. So you're going to have something unique. So I could go and have Rob Tucker GuideRealm. We could then go and press next. And in this case, that's available. And you can go and see that back here, you could go and change. I've got outlook.com or hotmail.com. We'll use Outlook and press next. Now you can go and choose a password. The password is what you go and use to go and log into your account. Make sure it's something you're going to remember and that it's safe and secure, because of course it goes and protects your account. Then what you can do is go and click next. You can go and see the requirements here as well. So make sure it matches. Mine does. We'll press next. Now we can go and add some details here for the account. So you can go and choose the country or region. We'll do United Kingdom. Then we can come into day and we can go and choose the day and the month, and then the year of our birthday. Then what you can do is go and press next. We now need to go and add in our name. So I'll do add that now. Because we're making a Outlook account, we're also creating a Microsoft account. So you can go and choose if you want to go and receive some information here. Personally, I don't want to. We can then go and press next. We need to go and prove we're not human. So we press and hold. You see the bar goes and moves across. When it completes, you can release, and now it's going to go and load. Keep waiting. Now it's going to go and say about a passkey. I'm just going to go and close this. I don't want to make one. And it will now go and start loading. So now it's going to go and start loading the mailbox. So go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long, hopefully. And here we are. So I'll just go and zoom in to make it a bit bigger for you. But we're now in a email inbox. So when you want to go and sign into your account, you can go and search Outlook in your web browser and come here, or you could type in outlook.live.com and you'll be here. So you can go and press inbox to the left, first press mail to the left, then inbox, and you can go and see people's emails and emails you received. I've got one from Outlook team right now. If you want to go and send an email, you can press new email in the top left. Type in somebody's email, add a subject, and type in what you want. At the top here, you can go and attach files, amongst other things as well. Now, what you can also do is on a computer and mobiles as well, there's often email apps. There's actually an Outlook app on your computer. It comes with Windows. You can go and open that up and sign into your new Outlook account or other email provider for that fact. And you can then go and access your email there. So it saves you from having to come into your web browser. But that's it. As I said, it's so convenient having an email, and it's pretty much essential to go and use the internet. So you could now go and start signing up for different things, and people can email you. You can go and give people your email. You can see mine is robtuckerguiderealm@outlook.com. So that's it. You've now successfully gone and created an email account and you can go and start using it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again. And there's already loads on the channel you can go and have a look at as well.